In this video, you will learn how to send photos in TikTok messages. Many people think of TikTok as just a fun place to watch videos. However, it is also a great app for connecting with friends. You can share your own photos and videos through direct messages. This makes it easy to stay in touch and share moments with those you care about. First things first, open up the TikTok app on your device. Once you're in, look for the inbox icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to access your direct messages. Now that you're in your DMs, scroll through your messages and select the person you want to send a photo to. Just tap on their conversation to open it. With the conversation open, take a look at the options available at the bottom of your screen. There are two main ways to send photos, let's explore both. If you want to capture a live moment right now, tap on the camera button located at the bottom left corner. This will activate your phone's camera. Once you've taken your photo, simply hit send to deliver it instantly to your friend. But what if you have an amazing photo already saved? No problem, to send an image from your gallery, tap on the button located at the bottom right corner of your chat window. This will bring up all images stored on your device. Browse through until you find that photo or video you want to share and tap on it. After that, you'll see the send button appear, tap that too. So there you have it, a simple guide on how to send photos through TikTok messages. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.